Next you jump on the spring and then you land on the blocks. By the one ways. By the one way. And that gets you on the flag. So that's the solution. Now next I'm going to get back to the part again. And then I'm going to show you some of the problems, or the things that can get you dead. So the solution was that you had to press that P switch before going in a certain order. Here's some things that can happen if you don't press it, because you think you shouldn't. You can end up down here, all stuck. You press it in the wrong order, so you press that P switch, but then you don't stay on the block. You can end up over here, getting stuck. If you think you can make it into that little hole over there, that's what most people try to do, and you don't need to do that, because we saw that you showed the solution earlier. If you saw it there were two thwomps. Now another thing that can happen, well, other than that, is you can end up on that block, and I'll show another thing that'll stop you from getting to the checkpoint. Or not the checkpoint, but the goal line. The flag goal, I mean. Alright, so one thing that can happen, yes, I put the phone down because I need both hands to do this, is you can push that P switch by the arrow, and on top of the block, like this, and then, if you don't wait, let's see, you do this, well, this will also get you the finish line, if I remember right. You have to keep on waiting. Oh, no, actually, no, it doesn't, see? Just like I thought the first time. See, it blocks it off. So that solution won't work. Then the only solution is to die. Another thing that can happen is you might press the P switch, and then you notice over to the right where those three springs are above the flagpole. Some people wait up there and thinking that'll let them in, and that won't. Obviously I missed, so I'll put down the phone and get up there. So we're now touching the P switch at the start with the arrow first. So you probably missed it, but the thwomp just went down, and you see I'm waiting for the P switch to run out, but see, there's no way to finish from it if you do it this way. See, it's still locked off. See, there's actually switch down here, which needs to be pressed. It doesn't get pressed otherwise. So another thing that can happen, let's see, now I'm going to get on top of those springs again. So it hits a whole, so yeah, there's like a whole bunch of blocks, like there's some up here, there's some up right there by that upward one way, and then there were two on top of those two blocks there. There were coins before, so the P-switch turned them into blocks, so you just put 2 coins, like 4 coins on that one way, and then 4 coins on this one way. So, yeah, and then see there are some others that are blocks and coins and so on. So, yeah. And if you jump, see, you can't really see the other thwomp anymore because it disappeared. But anyway, yeah. So that's pretty much all there is to this. This keeps you from getting the checkpoint. I mean the flagpole quite a bit. So and then you, yeah. If you get over here though, you can. Well, I think you can still die from the thwomp. I think. Yeah. So you're not really soft locked then. But okay. So yeah, this is a kind of so this is a pretty good troll, I think, for the flagpole. You might want to use this at the end of the level. See, there's a spring up there. Yeah, it gets you a lot of times. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We've seen, I showed the solution at the start of the video of how to figure it out. So yeah, so here's how it is when I don't press the P-switch. And yeah. See, there was a coin there, right there. So yeah. Anyways, that's it. That's it for this video. Bye.